There is a part that makes this into a bed, and then there is also a dinette. An electric head over here, and it's got an area for a curtain. He's got the curtain, it's just not here. So you've got a private head, and the waist information is over there. Oh, nice. You got that nice tilt steering wheel. Beautiful. And you can move that step away if you're standing, or if you're sitting, you've got a place to put your feet. There is a full enclosure that snaps on here, and it covers the whole cockpit area. And these pole holders were added on for lots more fishing. And there's 4 pole holders on the rail here.